today's topic is what are the signs of emotionally unavailable. So, emotionally unavailable, why people are emotionally not emotionally available? What is the reason behind this? So I would say there is not one reason. There are lots of reasons behind this. These people are very much like rude and orthodox. These people feel that emotion is not something to be valued. These people are mostly interested in materialistic life than minimalistic lifestyles. These people would follow those orthodoxy behaviors. So these people don't have this ability to connect emotionally with someone. They would take things rather on the social level. They would take things rather on the physical level to complete the relationship, to define their relationships. They would not follow or give importance to the soul connections, emotions that would one have, and there the connection would happen, emotional connection that would bring two persons together, or have a great feeling within oneself or to feel about the other person. So this kind of emotionally available things would not be present in this kind of persons, because it could be they have not learned about this from their childhood. Maybe their guardians or parents don't have this kind of traits, and they are following that same path whatever they have learned from childhood. So it becomes difficult when they grow up. It's kind of next to impossible that this person would ever be emotionally connected to someone. They would do everything for you, they would take care of you, but they would not understand the deep emotional connections that love, romantic charm, a sense of commitment from heart. They would do things what others are doing in the society, or something that is very common and everyone is doing in the families or in the societies. So this emotional unavailability is very much disturbing to the persons who are very much empath or emotionally attached to persons. Generally, this kind of emotionally unavailability attitude is very disturbing for the empaths, because empaths are generally very much emotional. They are connected to people. They can connect themselves to situations and people very easily, which at times create big problems for them, big emotional problems for them, from which they are not able to come out very easily. It takes a longer time. So these people who are very much rigid in nature are generally not emotionally connected to their partners or their family members, whoever. They have this attitude that they would follow this because they are their family members are their elders. It would be their wife, it could be their children that they are taking care of, but not very much being very emotional to them, because they don't feel this is very important. They don't want to give importance to the emotional connection. They don't know that there's something like emotional attitude or connection of emotions in the soul, in the heart, mind exists. They would rather laugh at this. They would give you calls. They would pretend to be loving you, but actually inside they don't have this feeling of attachment. They don't have this feeling of love inside, because they are nurtured in such a way that materialistic life is the only thing that exists and that creates importance in human mind. So here I have discussed things you can find is in this kind of persons they are generally emotionally unavailable, like they are not connected to you emotionally. If you have some problems in the family, you are very much hurt inside, you're feeling that hurt, or feeling that sort of guilty, or maybe some others fault you have been got into, and you are being blamed. So this kind of person is generally not going to help you, to stand by you and to talk for you, fight for you. So this kind of person, they generally don't feel this is necessary. emotionally. They feel that it's something very casual. Maybe you are in big problems, these persons are not generally going to help you out to get out of that problem, to make you soothe, to make you feel. Rather, this kind of persons at times feel very happy to make you get into problems, or to push you into the problems, or to make you face those problems, challenges. So this is a one trait of being not connected to you emotionally. So another is that if you have some bigger issues, and if you talk to them, if you try to communicate to them, they would act like these are nothing big problems, these are just casual, everyone is going through such kind of problems, so nothing to worry or nothing to take steps, or they are not going to take any such kind of initiatives, any sort of tackling attitudes they're going to build for you. Rather, they would act like nothing has happened, very casual, things were very general. In every house, wives are tortured like this. In every house, in-laws do torture their brides in this way. So this would be their attitude, and they would make you feel that you are ashamed of your guilt, and you should change yourself and follow whatever is been instructed to you. So this is a kind of very uh, peculiar type of behavior which I have found, that these persons are not at all emotionally connected to the persons they are in relationship with. They are not connected to the other members of the family, but they feel that they are very much protected in the family, and they would try to be connected with those family members of the person. So one another thing is I have experienced in my life is that this person are very much weak in nature inside. They cannot take decisions of their own. They have no strong choices for anything, so they would hang around seeing things and choosing things. They would not be able to fix whatever to choose, or whatever to decide, or to make some decisions on some issues or some problems or some tough times. So these persons are basically weak inside. They have this weak personality, so I guess that's why they don't have this emotional availability for their partners, because your emotions make you more stronger. At the same time, you be weak for your emotions because you attach to something emotionally, and there you tend to stick with your decisions, and maybe many a times you fail. But emotions are the traits, or emotions are the mediums through which you can make yourself stronger and make yourself feel more better, and you can feel the happiness of this universe through your emotions and feelings. So emotions are really important in life. So people who are not emotionally available, they cannot feel most of the time, so they tend to hang around materialistic life. And it's my own experiences. I have seen that these persons are not happy at all in their life. They just hang around in search of happiness, and they